Hope you're all doing great and welcome back. Today's video is about how to care for lucky bamboo plant, and without any further ado, let's get started. Lucky bamboo is surprisingly not actually from bamboo. It is from Dracaena genus and it is from Southeast Asia. The lucky bamboo is so popular because of its ability to design. You can swirl it, you can braid it, you can design it in different shapes, heart shapes, pineapple shapes, and cone shapes. All these shapes are possible with lucky bamboo. It requires minimal and easy to care for this plant, and it is suitable indoors and also in the offices because it is considered as one of the air purifiers. When it comes to growing in the soil and water, this is suitable in both conditions. The one I have, I'm growing this in water. This grows in the soil as well, but we need to make sure the soil is moist, not too dry and not too soggy. That's the ideal conditions in soil growing. And with the water growing, you need to change the water every week or every 10 days. This has grown to a certain height, so it takes a lot of water. Every 2 days, I top up with filtered water. When you are growing this in water, there will be algae on the roots, and we need to clean the water. In small amounts, algae won't harm your plant, but in large amounts, the plant will definitely coat the root system and plant will struggle to take water from the roots. So it's important when you see algae in small amounts, that's fine. You can use 1 part of hydrogen peroxide to 10 parts of water, and then just add it in the water. But if you see large amounts of algae, then it's important to clean like I'm doing now. I'll show you. Usually I use this brush and also just water, fresh and cool water. I'll wash the plant's roots and also the vase that is sitting in, and the rocks if you have any. These are all important to wash them before the bamboo plant goes into the vase. This is the bamboo plant I have from almost like 2 years now. I bought it when this was this height, this tall, and look at this now, how tall it has grown to. It is still sitting in the original pot that it came in, and the only problem with this is you need to use water, pour water regularly. And as you can see, when you see the bamboo is coated with algae like that, it's important to clean the bamboo. I usually scrape the algae from the root system with the brush gently like that. Small amounts is okay, but you know, if it is large amounts like that, roots will be coated with the algae and they struggle to take water from, and then it affects the plant's growth. So it's important. Occasionally, every 3 to 4 months, I clean like this. But this one, I have left it way too far. That's why it has developed like that. But it's okay. As you can see, it's coming off easily. And the roots are clear with algae now. And then I use water, and then once the algae is gone from that side, I spray it with water, fresh water. If there are any black roots, it's better to cut them off because rotten roots are not good anyway. So some of the roots have come off, that's fine. I'm not using soap for cleaning the root system, but for this one, definitely I'm using the soap. If at all you have any rocks, clean them with soap water as well. But make sure the soap is totally out of the vase. Otherwise, plant will suffocate. Water I'm going to use for the lucky bamboo is fresh water, soft water. Do not use salted water. Fill it until the rim, until the roots are submerged in water. Every week, I usually top up with extra water. When you see yellowing of leaves, it's important you cut them off right here, right at the... When it comes to watering, water should not contain fluoride in it. The fluoride levels, if your water has higher fluoride levels, then it's not suitable for this plant because fluoride is considered as toxic for lucky bamboo plant. So make sure you're using filtered water or bottled water. And if your water has chlorine levels in it, make sure you use filtered water as well. Chlorine is okay if you leave the water out for a day or two. Chlorine evaporates, but with fluoride it won't. So it's better to use filtered water. And when it comes to lighting, it doesn't prefer direct sunlight. It's okay if it is dappled morning sunlight and evening sunlight, that's fine. But afternoon sunlight makes the leaves burn and scorch their leaves. So they just become a little bit brown and they look burnt. So it's better to avoid direct sunlight. My plant is facing in the southwest window area. So this is the best place and it is thriving very well. Sometimes I just open the curtains when the sun is not too bright, and then this gets ample amount of light. And also there is a windowsill there. And when it comes to temperatures, it prefers, because this is a tropical plant, it prefers tropical conditions, and the temperatures should be around 65 degrees to 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 35 degrees Celsius. These are the ideal temperatures for growing lucky bamboo. Well, that's all about bamboo care, lucky bamboo care. Hope this was a helpful video.